Hello students, in last video we have seen what are the types of internet connectivity. Based upon that you have to write one question. The question is, what are the different types of internet connectivity and explain all types in brief. You may refer the above said slides to write this question. Okay. Now today we are going to see data transfer on the internet. Nowadays we are using internet to transfer our data. Okay, but do you know how this data is transferred on the internet? Have you think about this? No, but today we will see how that data transfer on the internet. Different steps are involved in this process. The first step is the data is broken up into bits of same sized pieces called packets. Means whatever data is there, that data is broken up into same size of pieces, and those pieces are called as the packets. For example, for better understanding we will take the example of one sentence as a data. That sentence is broken up into same sized words. Okay, those words may be called as the packets. Now the second step is a header is added to each packet. Now you will ask that what is meant by the header. The header is the top part of the packet. Means at that top part some information is added. The header is added to each packet explaining where the data has come from. Means that header has the information that who is the sender of that particular data. Okay, then where it should end up, means where that data should reach, or who is the receiver of that data, and where it fits with the rest packets of the packets. Means what is the sequential number of that particular packet with the whole data. Means what is the sequential number of that packet in the rest of the data. That is called as the where it fits with the rest of the packets. Okay, means in the second step one header is added to each packet explaining where the data has come from. Means who is the sender of that particular data, who is the receiver of that particular data, and where it fits with the rest of the packets. Means what is the sequence number of that particular packet with respect to other packets. The third step is each packet is sent from computer to computer until it finds its destination. Means now the packet is ready to send to the receiver. Then each packet is sent from one computer to another computer until it finds its destination. Means its destination means who is the receiver of that particular packet or particular information, that is called as the destination. All packets may not take the same route. Means whenever these packets are traveling over the internet, they may not take the same route. They may reach their destination by taking the different routes. Fourth step is at the destination all packets are examined. Means at the destination side all the packets are checked. If any packets are missing or damaged, a message is sent asking for them to be resent. Means whenever that packets are traveling over the internet, they may miss or they may get damaged. So the receiver will send a message to the sender to resend that particular, or ask that sender or request that sender to resend that particular packet to the receiver. This continues until all packets have been received intact. Means this process continues until all packets have been received to the receiver. The fifth step is the packets are now reassembled into their original form. Means whenever at the destination place all packets are received, then all packets are now reassembled into their original form. Because of their sequential numbers given at the header side, they all get reassembled into their original form and the original message is formed here, and all this done in 1 second only or within the fraction of seconds. Means this process continues in within a fraction of seconds. It takes very small time to reach to the destination. We can't imagine the speed of the internet because all this process is done within the fraction of seconds. Okay students, so we have seen today how the data transfer on the internet. There are total 5 steps involved in this process. Okay, so based upon that you have to write one question here. The question is how data transfer over the internet. Write down the steps. This is very important question. Okay, so you have to write this question in your notebook and keep it for your further reference. Thank you.